I'll be happy to share with you the recipe for Viennese double chocolate cookies, a real delight for chocolate and fine pastry lovers. Here is how to proceed. Ingredients: 220 grams of soft butter, 75 grams of powdered sugar, 2 egg yolks, 260 grams of 00 flour, 40 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, dark chocolate for coating, white chocolate for decoration. Preparation: start by whipping the soft butter with the powdered sugar until you get a frothy cream. Incorporate the egg yolks and vanilla extract, mixing well all the ingredients. Add the sifted flour with cocoa and a pinch of salt, mixing carefully until you obtain a homogeneous mixture. Transfer the dough to a piping bag fitted with a star nozzle. Shape the cookies directly on the baking tray lined with parchment paper, creating small spirals or shapes of your choice. Let the cookies rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes, or until they are slightly golden. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. Melt the dark chocolate in a double boiler or in the microwave, being careful not to burn it. Dip half of each cookie into the melted dark chocolate and let the excess chocolate drip off. Before the chocolate solidifies, decorate the cookies with a bit of melted white chocolate, creating lines or designs to your liking. Allow the chocolate to harden completely before serving the cookies. Curiosity: Viennese cookies, in their classic recipe, are known for their lightness and their buttery vanilla flavor. The double chocolate version enriches them even more, making them a dessert or a tasty snack, especially beloved during holidays or as an accompaniment to tea or coffee. Clearly, this is an adaptation of a classic recipe with an Italian touch, in the intense flavor and a passion for sweets that melt in your mouth. Happy cooking and enjoy your meal.